easy people. Hope everyone doing okay. So guys, I seen in Algeria, exactly in Oran. So just I want to show you where I am now. Look at that, guys, where I am. And yesterday I met one guy. He's from other city. It's called Constantine. So he will introduce himself.
Hello, my name is Hamada. I am from Constantine.
Yeah, he's camera shy, you know. So now, guys, we decided to go to eat KARANTIKA. So it's a popular food here in Oran. So actually, it's not my first time to eat it, and I eat it when I've been in South Algeria, in my city, I mean. So I'm gonna try it here in Wahran. So let's go, guys. Vamos.
المتر بالدراهم ما نخلصش انايا ولكن نقصر بيه ونخلص ولدي هاي
هريسة والله يوم هنا يركمونه
مرة تعب واحدة
لا ما فيهاش الزوم. Look at that, guys, how it's looking inside. Cheers. نشرب. It's tasty, it's not bad. والله ما بارد. So guys, I will eat and I will finish my food and my drink. Cheers. So guys, just I wanna say this garantita what we try, but my friend he like it, but me I don't like it, honestly, you know. It was really bad, you know, and I don't eat it all. So maybe next time I will try, and that's what I wanna say. So we are going to the port, I think. I'm not sure. So see you there, guys. So guys, we decide to go to drink coffee. Wait, I need to speak with my friend. Wait. So we decide to go to drink coffee in this hotel. I don't know what's called. Wait, Milisa Hotel, and they say they have a nice view. Look at that. So see you up. As you see, this palm trees, it reminds me when I've been in Alexandria, and it's same weather. Look at that. Hello guys. شكت تقول؟ So guys, we decided to stay in some cafe and drink cold drink. So check it out, guys. Look at where we are.
Warm, beautiful.
So guys, this drink cost me around $1.50, so like 300 dinar, Algerian dinar. So yeah, it's not expensive, and it has also beautiful view. Look at that. Lovely.
وين مشيو؟ او ملعقة وي خيي ملعقة.